Hello, Michael A. Caustic. Good morning. Today's Thursday, October 20th. This is Ms. Fletcher. Remember to bring in those donation items: coats, pants, hats, mittens, boots, toques, and scarves for our winter clothing drive. There's going to be a thriller practice at 11:30 for P22 and P23. Today's senior choir is meeting at 11:30 in the music room. See you there. There is no school for students, teachers are learning, this Friday or Monday. So we're going to see you back here next Tuesday. Today is kindergarten and grade 1 on the Big Park. All right, happy birthday to nobody today. However, happy birthday to the following people while we're away: Athena in room 1, Marley in P23, Milo in room 3 PM, and Allie in room 12. Joke for today. What did the doctor say when the nurse told him the invisible man was there? Tell him I can't see him. All right, have a safe and restful break, and we'll see you back here next Tuesday.